In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automated invoices in Shopify, Order Printer Pro. First, open your Shopify admin. From the left menu, head to Apps, then choose to visit the Shopify App Store. In the App Store search bar, type Order Printer Pro PDF Invoice. Open the app listing and click Install. Approve the permissions and proceed with the installation flow. If you see a confirmation screen or an extra install prompt, go ahead and confirm it so the app can connect to your store properly. Once the app opens, you may land on a welcome or onboarding screen. If there's a skip to content link, use it to jump straight into the workspace. Otherwise, follow the short guided tour by clicking Next to move through the setup tips. When prompted, start the free trial to activate all features. This enables the automated sending of PDFs without interruption. If the app asks you to confirm a plan in the account area, review the details there, then proceed back to the main app screen. Next, open the Draft Orders section inside the app. This is a handy place to preview how documents look without affecting live orders. From here, go to Manage Templates. You'll see default templates for invoices and other documents. Choose the invoice template you prefer. You can customize it later with your logo, address, and tax details so it matches your brand and local requirements. Saving the template ensures that the right layout will be used whenever an invoice is generated. Now, head to the Automated PDFs section. This is where you control which documents are sent automatically and when. You'll typically attach invoices to key order events, like when an order is created, paid, or fulfilled, so customers receive the right document at the right time. The page is designed to be straightforward. Pick the document type, select the trigger, and make sure the correct template is selected. If you ever need to pause automation, you can return here to adjust or disable it. If you're guided through any remaining steps, continue clicking Next until the onboarding completes. Starting the free trial is essential for automation to run, so confirm that step is done. When you're finished, revisit Draft Orders and Automated PDFs to double-check your selections and that your invoice template is the one being used. That's it. You've installed Order Printer Pro, confirmed your plan, selected your invoice template, and set up the automated PDFs so invoices send themselves. Keep your branding consistent, ensure your business details are accurate, and you'll have professional invoices going out automatically